Hi folks, this is Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Enjoy. I like Alabama. I like the Paradise City where the grass is green, girls are pretty in Alabama City. Oh my God, it's a cat! Where? I don't see it. Where? You ran it over. I don't care. I have to take a piss. Alright, I'm gonna watch. Dude, it's a good thing nothing bad happens in Texas. Oh God! Oh God! I'm so glad I'm not dating anymore. You're kind of hot. You work out? Yeah, I drink milk and do 10 push-ups every night, and I make sweet love to my chainsaw. It hurts. Come here, you bastard! Come here, you piece of crap! Come on! Come here! I was kidding! Bastard! Get that! Bang! Yay! Damn it! I still wish you were dead though, because dude, I have a penis. Are we done recording?